Hey there, Sammy from Boston Company. I need to talk to you about some big changes coming with your taxes this year. And I mean big. The government just passed a new law and it's going to change how much you pay in taxes in 2025. So grab your coffee and let me break it down for you. No complicated stuff, just what exactly you need to know. First thing, the standard deduction just went up. Now, what does that mean? Well, think about that. Every year, the government says, hey, you can make that much money without paying tax on it. That amount just got bigger this year. So here are the new numbers. If you're married filing together, it's $31,500. If you're single, it's $15,750. And if you file head of household, that's $23,650. So what does that mean to you? It means that you keep more money in your pocket. Simple as that. Now, this next one is really good if you are 65 or older. There is a brand new thing starting this year. I call it the senior bonus. So if you're 65 or older, you can now take extra $6,000 deduction this year in 2025. Yeah, you've heard it right, $6,000. But here's a catch. This bonus starts to go down if you make too much money. So for single people, if you start at $75,000, if you make more than that, and for married couple, your threshold is $150,000. Make more than that, the bonus gets smaller and smaller until it's gone. But here's the thing, even if you make too much for the full bonus, you may still get some of it. So if you're 65 or older, or if your spouse is, call us or call your CPA. Let's see how much you can save this year. Okay, next up, this one is huge for people here in California. You know these state and local taxes that you pay, property taxes, state income taxes? For the last few years, you could only write off $10,000 every year for these taxes. In San Francisco and the Bay Area, that's nothing. Well, good news, that limit just went up to $40,000 in 2025. Yes, you've heard that right, $40,000. Now, what does that mean to you? If there's any catch? Yeah, there's a catch here. So if you make more than $500,000, this starts to go down. So the more you make, the less you get. But here's what you need to do right now. Number one, add up your property taxes and your state income taxes this year. Number two, if that's more than $10,000, then you got a nice tax break. Number three, call your CPA or call us and let's make sure that you are set up right. Because in 2030, this goes down back to $10,000. So you need to plan ahead for that. All right. So what do you need to do with all this information? Here's your action plan. Number one, check your paycheck. Are you having enough tax taken out of your paycheck or too much maybe? These changes might mean that you need to adjust your withholding. Number two, look at your quarterly tax payment. If you're paying estimated taxes every quarter, these numbers just changed. So you might be paying too much or not enough. Number three, plan for the next year because some of these changes are only here for a few years. Some are permanent. So you need to think ahead. Now, I know some of you people will think it's like, oh, Sammy, that sounds great, but what is the catch here? Well, here's the truth. Most of these changes help you pay less taxes right now. That's great. But some of these are only here for a few years. For example, the senior bonus, it's only available from 2025 through 2028. The big salt deduction, state and local taxes, goes back to $10,000 in 2030. So we need to take advantage right now of the available deduction or credit, and we need to plan for what happens after. That's what good planning comes in. Well, look, I know taxes are not fun. Nobody wake up, excited about tax laws, but these changes are important and they can save you thousands of dollars if you plan ahead. And you know what? We'll talk about your money, your hard-earned money. So here's what I want you to do. Number one, share this video with any other business owner who may need to know this information. Number two, I want you to go down in the description and click on that link to schedule a call with my team or myself. Number three, Let's look at your situation, your business, your overall 2025 tax situation, see how much we can save you. Hey, I'm Sammy Basta with Boston Company here. We help small business every day to optimize their taxes, maximize their saving, and make sure they run efficiently and guaranteeing they have cash flow, visibility for their business moving ahead. So if you need any help, if you have any question, please schedule a complimentary call. The link is down below. I want to thank you so much for spending time with me today, and I'll see you next time.
This has been another episode of our tax saving video series. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, subscribe below, and share with other business owners. You can find previous episodes and more information at www.bastacpa.com. Thanks for listening, and have a great day.